To make this collage work, we require newspaper and poster colors. First, tear newspaper into rectangle pieces of different length and breadth. Now, take different paints and start painting each rectangle. First, I am going to paint the first rectangle red. So these rectangle pieces will be the tall buildings. Do not apply too much water because it is newspaper, it will get soaked up easily. So apply less paint on it so that it will dry quickly and we can finish the work quickly. Now we move on to the third building. Paint each rectangle in different colors and keep them aside for drying. Here you can see I am blending two colors. You can do the same to your other rectangles also. You can use your creativity to make the necessary changes. So now it is time to leave all the papers to dry. So after they had dried up, I have arranged the buildings in my desired way. I want each one to be shorter than the other one. Behind and forward, you have to place it properly. Fix it there and draw the skyline with a pencil. Now I have glue This Fevicol and water mixed in a ball. I am applying that and sticking the base of the building to the book because I have to work on the sky. Do it carefully without changing the arrangement. Stick only the base. So now I have taken small bits of blue paper for the sky. So flip over all the buildings and apply glue above the pencil line and start pasting these small bits of paper on the sky. Do it carefully. It should be pasted one over the other, crossing over. There shouldn't be any gap. Tearing the paper and sticking will only give a beautiful effect to that. Then check whether you have pasted properly without leaving any white space. Apply glue to the next bit and start pasting the blue bits of paper. Make sure the bits are pasted on all corners. Apply glue completely on the papers and stick perfectly. You can do the same technique for the buildings also. If you find the same colored papers, different colored papers, you can tear them into small pieces and stick on the big rectangle. Instead of one piece, we can stick bits of paper like how we are doing it for the sky. So I'm making sure like everything is pasted properly. Now I move back to the buildings and I apply glue and flip them over and stick them back carefully to the main page. So you can flip the paper and check for the white gaps and fill in those gaps at any point of time. Now we have done sticking it. It's time to draw the windows. I'm using a marker pen. You can even use a sketch pen here. So you can see me skipping the dark blue building because I have decided to give yellow paint for the windows there. can give different bright color, fluorescent color paints to the windows. You can add in your creativity and make it different. Because the blue building is not very bright enough, it's not standing out, I'm giving an outline to that. Similarly, you can also give outline to all the buildings. Once we are done with all the sketch pen markings, we will take yellow paint and paint the blue building and complete the work. So we have completed the windows, and now I'm going to stick sun. So I took a square yellow paper, I drew a circle with a pencil, and now I'm tearing it with the hand. Apply glue and stick it in the sky, and we have completed the work.